you are young. They fear you because you are the future.
It all simple. I say what I like. Steve Biko wrote what he like. I am Skukomo. I will say whatever I like.
Sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ingane yomuntu omnyama ivuke ebuthongweni isilale isikhathi eside. Sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ivuke ebuthongweni ithathe ubungcwele bayo ngoba ingane yomuntu omnyama okwasekudalweni kwayo ingcwele emazulwini nakumvele iqale. Ngakho ke kule ncwadi ethi isibuko sokukhonza uNkulunkulu ngoba
Who is Skukomo? What he does for a living? Well, today I'm here to answer you because some of you are curious to know. In just 2 minutes, I will answer you. But before I do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also put a notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you get a notification. Who is Skukomo? Well, I'm 26 years old. I come from KwaZulu-Natal in South Coast, that is South Africa, in Africa. I hold 2 degrees, public management and also LLB. LLB is law degree. I'm a founder of a group company called KWSSMG Group, which under it there is Isibusiso World Group and also Skukomo Foundation and K Publishers. I'm an author of 5 books. Among those 5 books, there is a book titled I'm Not a Human Being, I'm a Dream Being, and there is another recent book we published which is titled Isibuko Sokukhonza uNkulunkulu ngoba Africa, and there is another one which is titled What Africa Did to Whom to Deserve So Much Suffering. Basically, that's what I do. I run business, I'm an author, I'm in academia. That is it. That is cool for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's grow together.